Let's finish Chapter 8 with Lesson 8, Solving Multi-Step Inequalities. So we've already done two steps where you would subtract 15 on both sides. You're left with 6x is greater than negative 6, and then you would divide by 6, and x is greater than negative 1. And then you would graph. You would use an open circle at negative 1, and you'd go to the right. But then you come to some problems that are a little bit more involved. So if you go to number 6, this one you have to combine your y's. Now I would change this to a plus negative 3y, just so it's easier for you to combine. So now you still have 1 plus negative 2y greater than or equal to 5. You would then subtract 1 on both sides, and then divide by negative 2. And remember, when you divide by a negative, you're going to flip your symbol. And you would use a closed circle at negative 2, going to the left. And we're going to go right below that to number 9. This one involves some distributive property. So on the right side, you're going to do 4 times a, 4 times 3, which gives you 4a minus 12. You need to get the a's on one side, so let's subtract 4a. It gives you 1a minus 8 greater than or equal to negative 12, plus 8. 1a is greater than or equal to negative 4. And 1a is the same as just a. So we're going to graph at negative 4. And we'll have a closed circle going to the right. And if you look at number 11, distributive on both sides. And then you can combine the 18 and the 6 on the left side. Now you need to get your p's on one side, so I'm going to subtract 2p on both sides. That leaves you with 24 is greater than or equal to 3p minus 15. Add 15 on both sides. 39 is greater than or equal to 3p. Divide by 3. And you get 13 is greater than or equal to p. And then you would put a closed circle at 13 going to the left.